Picture.
Let's meet muna our viewers.
Hello po, everybody's here. Thank you for coming. This is quite the audience, and actually, we are here to answer some questions.
Yes,
we are very excited.
Let's meet our viewers first. Let's go, Keith.
All right, hello everybody. Tahimik kayo ah. Hello everybody. Hello. Don't forget, I'm a host ha. Hindi ako nagtatanggap ng mga low energy. So hello everybody. Congratulations to Jojo Bragais, and I hope you guys could buy some shoes as much as you want and as much as you need.
Hello everyone! Grabe, ang daming tao, medias, and yung mga magsha-shop po ng discount today sa Jojo Bragais. Welcome po sa aming meet and greet with the kings and the queens. Enjoy lang po natin yung araw na ito.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan muli natin ang ating mga pageant kings. Of course, our question, unahin na natin si Kenneth. How's your preparation now for your international pageant?
My preparation po is, malapit na yung pageant ng September 7 ang coronation sa Bangkok.
Bangkok.
And yes, continue ko lang yung ginagawa ko before, bagong Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. Hindi ko naman need to pressure yung sarili ko, pero yan, para naman sa Philippines, yan, gagawin ko yan lahat to improve. Yan, nababasa ko naman yung mga comments nila. So yes, yung binibigay nila sa akin na help, for sure, i-give back ko sa mga tao.
Okay, ito, follow-up question for you, Ken. Siguro, what are you most looking forward to sa magiging pageant mo? Ano pinaka-excited ka mangyari?
Excited? The coronation night. I want to prove to the world and also to the Philippines na we can have the first, cosmopolitan crown sa Pilipinas po.
Yes.
Thank you so much po sa media, sa Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide Organization kay Mama J, and to the sponsors, Jojo Bragais, and some sponsors po. Thank you.
Same question with Keith. So, anong preparations na natin for our international pageant? And what are you most excited about?
Okay, preparations. Ano ba? Actually, we just need to maintain yung ginagawa namin. Yung preparations namin before Mr. Pilipinas. We're just doing that, and you know what? Actually, just living life. You know, one day at a time. We're just being mentally present at our moment, because that's important. And I think, enjoying what we do right now. I'm personally, I'm working as well. I'm hosting events, and of course, doing responsibilities with Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. And what I'm most excited about, I think I got the information that yung pageant, it's going to be in January. It's going to be here in the Philippines, if I'm not mistaken. So, yeah, that's as far as my knowledge goes. I hope it's true. But yeah, I think what I'm most excited about is that the fact that it's going to be here in the Philippines. I think it's the only pageant on our batch that's going to be held here. So yeah, hoping for the home court advantage, the fans and everything. I'm going to bring as much family as I can bring. So yeah, that's what I'm excited about. My mom could watch again, and this time, an international pageant. So.
Nice. We'll look forward on that sa Pilipinas.
Thank you so much.
Natin si Keith. And of course, for Kurt.
Yeah, I'm actually very excited for your pageant here in the Philippines, because I know we have one of the strongest fan base and community when it comes to international pageants. For me, when it comes to my preparation in my pageant, there's a lot of back-to-end conceptualizing, because I'm planning a lot of shoots. I'm planning, as many people know, this is not my first international pageant. So I'm taking all my experiences, everything that I've learned from my previous pageant, and just really be very mindful, very intentful with how I am going to represent, not just on the stage, but also leading up to the stage, and make the Philippines the proudest, of course, and showcasing our culture in the most sustainable way. And I'm honestly, because my pageant will be also in Thailand in September 25, I'm just looking forward to Pad Thai and really good high quality Thai food. I used to work and live in Thailand for 16 months, so I cannot wait to be back in Thailand, and I cannot wait for all of you to be there as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, again, supportahan po natin ang ating mga pageant kings sa kanila nilang mga preparations, and of course, international pageants nila. And now, we're celebrating our 12th anniversary here in Jojo Bragais, and recently we've launched several products for men. So we have our elevator shoes, we have our loafers, we have our radiators, and also we have our belts, and just recently our sneakers. But the core of our products here in Jojo Guys are height enhancing. So for Kurt, my question is, how important it is to be tall or to have a height enhancing products for a pageant or for in the modeling industry?
I think it goes beyond the pageant and model industry, where you can reap the benefits of a few inches, especially when it comes to. Sir, I don't know why you laugh, but I can definitely say that I think we are going out of the norm where even guys can wear something height enhancing, because usually high heels is something what is known more exclusive for females. But at the end of the day, sometimes that I experience often is when you go somewhere in a room, my height, I'm 6'3", for everybody who's watching right now. It can be a conversation breaker, it can be confidence boosting, it can be something that people just associate with status or competence. So if you can wear something that enhances that with 0 to no effort, and of course there's some surgeries where you can, break your femur and it's going to be a 1-2 year recovery process. Why not just wear something that makes you taller on an instant and still looks classy, because at the end of the day we just want to feel better, and if we can do that with just a simple shoe, why not?
Yes, that's right. Thank you so much. And now for Kenneth, ang question ko kay Kenneth. So, gaano ka-importante that we're showcasing these products to your international pageants? Gaano ka-importante we support our local products and also showcase it to the international scene?
I believe it is very important. You know what guys? Nung high school pa lang ako, I knew a lot of girls or trans na gumagamit ng heels like Jojo Vergais. At saka matagal na din sa industry si Jojo Vergais. And I believe Jojo Vergais shoes has a great potential, not just in the Philippines but internationally. So aside for its good quality products, yung leathers and yung height enhancement, I believe it is best talaga na makilala siya internationally. And to support our local businessmen, artisans like Sir Jojo, and of course the workers of Jojo Vergais. Thank you so much.
And just to share also, our factory workers or our craftsmen are in Binangon na Rizal. Nandun po ang ating factory po. And then for Kit naman, we're talking about the quality of our products. So ganun naman ka-importante because most of our pageant kings and queens are parang has a 1-year reign. Ganyan. So parang after the beauty pageant or beauty pageant journey nyo, so after no magagamit pa rin natin ang ating mga Jojo Vergais products. So how important it is to have a quality products naman?
Well, it's very important, I would say, hindi lang naman sa footwear, for everything. Like for example, one great example is the leather quality itself. Kasi kami, we're always on events, we're always on formal events, and leather signifies, or kind of signifies sophistication, diba? If you have leather, it parang may kaakibat na meaning, you're going to somewhere formal. So a good leather brand or a good leather product would very much be appreciated by people like us in the pageant industry, in the entertainment industry, kasi nga you always seen us, oftentimes we are on formal events like balls, or events, or coronation nights, any formal event there is. So, yeah, it's very important.
That's right.
Yeah, he's gonna add something.
Yeah, it's very simple when it comes to leather. Buy it cheap, or buy it twice. I think there's certain things, electricity, like any electronics, if you buy it cheap, man, you have to buy it twice because it will break down. But if a good, high-quality leather product, man, this can last 10, 20 years. So, it makes definitely also a financial commitment to that. You don't need to buy something again.
I agree. So sabi nga namin dito sa guys, pwede nyo na itong ipamana. So if you want to explore our leather products, you can go here po sa ating outlet sale. So nandyan lang po yan. Pwede nyo siyang i-explore. And now, I know we're all excited for this. Let me introduce to you, and maraming salamat sa pagpunta po. Please welcome our beauty queens, the Miss Philippines Supranational 2026, Katrina Legado, and our Miss Philippines Eco International Philippines, Gabby Carvalho. Dr. Gabby Carvalho.
Topic yun.
And now let's have our Miss Philippines Supranational, Katrina Legado. Let's give her a round of applause.
I'm doing really good. Thank you.
So nice to see all of you, especially now I'm sure a lot of you, we've seen you online lang. So finally, for the first time, we get to meet a lot of you that we probably have liked your comments or reshared your stories. So finally, thank you so much for coming, and thank you for supporting Jojo Bragais.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. So nice to see everyone again here. So it's been a while, and of course, nandito tayo sa outlet sale. Thank you so much for supporting Jojo Bragais, and of course, thank you for supporting us queens and kings here. So it's gonna be a fun afternoon, and of course, maraming outlet na nakasale, maraming shoes na nakasale right now. So I hope makapag-check out ang lahat.
Tama yan. And thank you so much, Captain Gavin. So my question for you is, of course, how's your preparation for your international pageant? And also to follow up, for Gabby, this is your first time representing the Philippines internationally, but for Kat, of course, we know that this is going to be the second time. So how does it feel to represent the Philippines in the international scene?
Well, you know, I mean, this is such a big opportunity, and I still think I haven't wrapped my head around it fully. I'm really grateful because Jojo Bragais will be supporting me all the way until Egypt. So I'm really excited to go to Egypt and bring a local Filipino brand with me. But to get to represent the Philippines for the very first time is such a gift. Not everybody gets this opportunity, so I promise that I will not take it lightly. All of my energy will go into it. But for now, I think we're really just enjoying our post-MUPH life. We've been eating a little bit more than we should. But definitely, after Christmas, it's time to lock in. So for now, we're really taking every opportunity that comes our way.
As for me, for preparation, since it's us, ni Gabby, mag-compete 2026, so it's gonna be April for her and then June for me. So it's gonna be the longest preparations for us in this batch. Kaya naman, I think ngayon, we're focused on supporting our dear queens, Atisa and Chelsea, who's competing this year. And also, I think, since this is not something new to me, syempre, Bragais supported me in my international pageant in Reina Hispano-Americana. And of course, in supranational, maasahan ko pa rin na nandito ang Bragais family. So I'm very excited curating the whole look, and of course being and of course walk and winning with Bragais.
And I'm sure that we're very excited to see how you will showcase our Philippine excellence in the international stage. And of course, we will be there to support you all the way. Yeah. So after that question, speaking of our brand, no, we're celebrating our 12th anniversary. So sa 12 years ng Jojo Bragais shoe stock, how has Jojo Bragais helped you in your journey, in your pageant journey? For Gabby, of course, you have your local pageant. Isa sa mga viral videos about Gabby is sabi ni Gazini, hindi daw siya natatalo sa pageants sa local sa Cebu. So, I think, sana ba? Tell us something more about it.
Oh my gosh, so yes, I have been wearing Bragais shoes since Miss Universe Philippines Cebu. And at that time, we were actually not sponsored by Jojo Bragais. But I made sure to proudly wear those shoes on stage. And for sure, it's one of the most stable shoes you could ever have. In a pageant, diba, it's really important na stable yung shoes namin. So I could really say that from then all the way until now, I don't plan on ever changing the brand of shoes that I use. Because for me, I feel the safest, less prone to injury, which is very important for us queens. And I'm just really excited moving forward as to what more I can accomplish with Jojo Bragais.
Thank you so much for that. So just to share also, we have our local pageant partnership program in Jojo Bragais, where we partner as we support the international pageants. We also go to our local government units to ask if we can partner with our brand also for their pageants, for their local pageants. And for Miss Kat, of course, for international scenes naman, how important it is to showcase these Filipino-made products like Jojo Bragais in the international stage.
Yes, as I mentioned, diba, I'm not new into pageantry. I'm also competed with Reina Hispano-Americana, and I showcased the Filipino designers, especially Bragais. This one is really being proud of wearing our local goods or designs that are really very competitive abroad, and that's what I'm really looking forward in the supranational stage, that I will still be bringing Bragais with me.
Hey, thank you so much. Of course, we will support. Sure na yan. And then, just a quick, just to share with our customers right now who are out, let's say, what's your favorite pair of Jojo Bragais shoes and bakit kaya iyon?
Actually, my favorite shoes would be Chelsea. That is my winning shoes when we competed this Miss Universe Philippines edition. What do you have?
For me, it's the Jezza, which I'm wearing now. Actually, you don't see it and I won't show you, but I actually have a little blood stain on the back of my shoe. This is not because of the shoe, but it's because of how hard that I decided to train in these shoes. So I started training because I'm the only one to top 6 when it joins a local pageant. So I started training for this journey around 1 year ago, almost exactly 1 year ago. So I started as in back to square one ago. I really broke my walk down, super back to basics. So these are the shoes that I used, and until now they're still super sturdy. So it just shows that you guys should buy the Jezza.
So much. So kung gusto nyo explore yung mga favorite pairs ng ating queens, nandito lang yan around our outlet sale. Maraming salamat muli sa ating mga kings and queens. Of course, you can now promote your social media accounts and of course your upcoming events.
Thank you so much again for joining us this afternoon. Again, you guys can follow me, of course, at Kat Legado in my social media. And of course, the Miss Philippines, para you guys are updated with everything that we are up to.
For me, my Instagram is at Gabby_Carvalho. But of course, yes, you can follow the Miss Philippines on Instagram to keep updated with what we are doing. And then on TikTok, at Gabby Carbs, if you want to see the more personality side of me, the more raw side of me, it's on TikTok at Gabby Carbs.
Thank you. You can follow and support my journey on my Instagram account, which is Kirk_Bonda. This is where I post my personal life and everything that goes beyond the pageantry and fitness.
Oh, you can follow me by simply searching Kid Cortez, and that's on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you want to get to know more about our journey and of course my personal life, my hosting game, my hosting career. And I'm inviting everyone to follow Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide for a much more detailed update on the dates and actually our engagements as well as gigs.
Hello po again. So, bali yung Instagram account ko naman po is, Kenneth Marcelino. Andres, parang hindi ko kabisado. Pero basta start ko lang, Kenneth Marcelino. Tapos meron akong channel. So, doon ako mostly nag-update sa mga lovely fans. So, nandiyan po may present. Hello. Thank you. Thank you, Jojo Bargay.
Maraming salamat muli. Palakpakan po natin ang mga pageant kings and queens. Maraming salamat po. And of course, our outlet sale is still ongoing until the 17th of July. So marami po tayong guests and kings and queens po. So now, we will have the photo opportunity with our guests. So, ayan, sige. First with our media. Sige, a group shot muna daw po tayo. Closer.